Welcome to Geo. Bachara, today I shall discuss about soap making. Actually, you know that soap are the sodium or potassium salts of higher fatty acids, and in this video we shall discuss about the sodium salt only, not potassium salt. Okay, so for that purpose I have taken coconut oil. You can see here in test tube I have taken coconut oil, and then this is sodium hydroxide. Little means if you take 15 gram of coconut oil, then you have to take 20 gram or a little more sodium hydroxide. Okay, and this is tongue to hold the test tube. This is spirit lamp and small beaker. This is blotting paper, actually filter paper, not blotting paper, filter paper. Then this is dropper, and this is the small mold. On this mold only we will place the soap. And this is measuring cylinder to measure coconut oil and sodium hydroxide. This measuring cylinder is required. And this is an arrangement by which we will filter the soap. And this is gloves. Now you can see this is sodium hydroxide and this is coconut oil. Slowly you have to mix it. Slowly. It is one type of exothermic reaction, so heat will be evolved. After pouring all the sodium hydroxide, then we have to stir it. By the help of one stick, we have to stir it like that way. During this process, heat will be evolved, as it is one type of exothermic reaction, means here heat will be evolved. So you can see some white substances is produced. That is actually sodium salt of fatty acid. So we have to stir like this for near about 5 minutes. Okay, you can see if you touch here, then it will be little hot. Now you can see the production of soap is going on, and you can see that one division you can see here. Lower portion and upper portion, one division is there. More we have to stir it to get better result. Now you can see here upper portion and lower portion is totally divided. Now we have to give heat. For this purpose, this spirit lamp has been taken. Some spirit already introduced here. Now I will light it. Okay, so now with the help of this test tube holder, I'll give heat. Mind it, the mouth of the test tube or the opening end of the test tube should be far away from you. Otherwise, uh, any problem may be created. And during this process, during this heat, you have to stir continuously to get better result. You can see there some changes is going on. Just now you can see here that if you give heat continuously, then the solution or the liquid can come out. So that's why I told you that not to place the open end of the test tube to your side. It should be far from you in this manner. Otherwise, hot liquid can uh, come to your face. As you are using spirit lamp, you can see no black spot or carbon layer is producing, as it is the complete burning. But in other videos I used uh, candle light, so that's why some carbon was accumulated. Like that way you have to give heat near about 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. During this process you have to use hand gloves to protect yourself from strong NaOH. Now you can see the soap has been prepared. You can see the difference between two layers. Upper portion is actually soap, means sodium, salt or fatty acid, and some glycerol also produced. Now you can see here clearly glycerin and soap both has been prepared, and now we have to separate it. Now we'll settle it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then little amount of salt will be given. After 10 minutes, we shall give some salt, simple NaCl, common salt. Little amount is required. After giving salt, you will see that the soap molecules will be precipitated. This much salt is sufficient. Now we have to stir it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then again we have to settle it for 5 minutes. Like that way we have to stir. You can see now the precipitation is going on. Now by the help of this filter paper, this is the technique to fold filter paper, we have to separate the soap, and we have to place the soap within the mold. Now this is filter paper placed. Now slowly we'll pour the liquid. Slowly you have to pour it. Now after some time, let's see what happened. Wow, nicely soap particles has accumulated. Now we have to place these soap particles within a mold. Here I have taken two molds, button molds, and like that way we will place it within the mold. These are the soap molecules, soap particles, and after that we have to keep it undisturbed for 24 hours. And next day we'll observe small button like soap has prepared. Now let's see next day. After 24 hours you can see the nice structure, small button like soap has prepared. Okay, so tiniest soap already prepared. Now let's see, is this capable to produce foam? Let's see. You can see, yes, already foam has developed. You can see, wow, nice soap. Means this experiment is 100% successful. Thanks for watching.